Keepsake Sublimation bunnies. These bunnies you're able to sublimate on both feet and both ears. So the first thing I did was I measured the ears and the feet so that I would know how big of a design that I wanted to put on. And then I started designing in Word. As my sublimation design was printing, I used a sublimation printer that I have converted over with sublimation ink, and I started my Easy Press 2. The Easy Press seemed to be the best thing that would work on these, and it worked really well. I set it for 385 degrees Fahrenheit, and I pressed these for 30 seconds. I cleaned the areas that I'm going to be sublimating on with a lint roller, and I trimmed my images down, and I laid that on the ear there that you can see, and then I pressed that for 30 seconds with firm pressure. I went on to the foot, and so I put the foot on a pressing mat, and then I laid the image on top of it. I did not tape. I was just very careful to make sure that the image stayed in the location, and then I put the Easy Press on there, and again, firm pressure for 30 seconds at 385 degrees. These would be great memorial gifts for birth. You know, you can put the first name, middle name, the date, the weight, and all kinds of other things that you could put on here. But for these, I just put a name, and I also put 2023, and then I put a heart on the foot. Here you can see that I finished 5 of them in a very short amount of time. And I would say that these are probably 20 inches from ear to foot, maybe 24 if you lifted the ear all the way up. They're quite big, and they turned out really good. I'm very satisfied with them. They were very easy to do with the Easy Press 2, so I would recommend using that. You can see my links below, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Have a great day.